If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our scale and chord tutorial videos. Today, the star of the show is G. We're going to show you the G major scale in our right hand, then our left hand, and then both hands. First take, I'll feature the note letter names and then the fingerings. In the right hand, we'll start on G and go to G with this planned F sharp being in there. We won't play F, we'll play F sharp instead. 1 sharp. We go. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Bring it back down. Fingers would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Left hand, same notes. Let's start on G with the pinky. Ready? G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Back down. Using fingering numbers, starting on the pinky, that's a 5. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Together, very slowly, the hands will switch at different times. We start on G. Go through this video again for some more practice. I encourage it, and then come back and play on to our next video.